Hello everyone, it's me, Sasi, and welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you a tricks to view a hidden files and folder in Windows PC or a laptop. So, let's begin. To begin the tricks, first of all, I'll create a files in my drive. Here in my drive I have a files in this folder. Now I'm going to hide this file using a system property like this. Okay, now the file is hidden. Now to view this file again, you have to select this hidden items. Then only you will be able to see the hidden files. Now I have unselect this hidden items, so here it's showing this folder is empty. So in this video I'm going to show you the tricks to view a hidden files and folder without using system properties. So first of all, go to your favorite web browser. Go to the Google, then you type here 7-zip. Download this software according to your Windows version of the Windows, and whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. Download according to your bit. I have already downloaded and installed this software in my PC, so I'll just go to the file, go to the start here. Now I'll open this software from start menu, from 7-zip file manager. This one, this is the software. When you open this software, here you can see an address bar. By clicking this down arrow, you can select the folder where your hidden files is stored. So my hidden files is stored in G drive. Here now you can see the file which was hidden by me just now is showing here. Now if you see in file manager here in this PC, see here it's showing the folder is empty, but here using this software we can able to view the hidden files. This way you can view a hidden files and folder in any version of Windows. These tricks will be very helpful for you if your external drive is infected by a auto-run virus. So if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.